you my pledge.
Okay, who has the ring?
Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. Wagwan, bless up. First and foremost, I will on there with the latest updates and mix up and mix downs. And yeah, we are going to talk about what the description of the video says. So subscribe if for your first time. Queenie get married, guys, finally. People they might wonder when the wedding I go. Go on, you see it. But end of the day, still it worth it, the wait and everything, cause the impact on the media right now. It a boom. It just a boom up the place. You see me, guys. Everywhere look, you see Queenie and Dewy. You see me all new song and one bag of sin. I'm not telling you lie. I'm happy for them, guys. I'm happy for the people. Them. You see me. On the comment, tell me what you think about the Wull, the wedding and the Wull, something.
You're not going to hold it go. Alright, you're not going to kiss them.
So long the kiss part.
Not yet. Come over here now. We're going to sign the paper.
Okay.
We must be on your right.
Excuse me, purple.
Okay?
Not yet.
She must be on your left. So you're going to sit over here and I'm going to pray, right? Heavenly Father, I bring this couple before you right now, pray for them. For this action that they have been through today. I pray that this marriage will last. I pray that nothing and nobody will come between them. But their love for each other is going from day to day. And that they are good examples of a married man and woman. So be blessed now. I pray for your help. I pray for you serve God in spirit and in truth. And be blessed all the days of your life. In Jesus' name.
Amen. Amen.
Oh, remember Kaylan, the girl who get gangbanged by 5 to 6 older female. Yeah, man, so me I hear say 2 of them must get released. Or 1 at least, the accused woman. So they must say she was an accused woman, basically. So enough people are say why she get let out and this and that. When them not get the bigger picture, say that person was really an accused person. Yeah, is April.
No life in her body. So when time them feel good, them send one car and come pick it up. Cause it is no longer human. When me I tell you say a dead lifeless body, nothing at all. When time she got hospital, them say yes, she have like a heartbeat. So they string her up and drip. Them string her up and they drip them. I have her there. The drip them a keep her alive. No talking, no near me, no nothing. The lifeless body does have a beat in her now. So they must say, let's keep it like that and keep her on here till the swelling go down. When the swelling in the brain go down, when the swelling in the organs go down, when the swelling, then we can do surgery. And then it's hundreds of thousands of dollars. And then the mother poor and don't have it like that. And then wash you go lie down the car. Now the swelling no gone done yet. Nobody don't know what kind of operation to do to save this child life. Nobody don't even know if this child ever walk again. This a picnic me down. Nobody don't even know if she'll ever talk again. Nobody don't even know what is going to become of this child. We still lie down. We still drip up. We still not move. We still not talk. Dead. This child dead. So the only thing is she have a beating organ in her body, but everything else upon her body is gone. She can't move. She can't what me yai. She can't even move her neck. She can't move nowhere. And you tell me, say, you as a judge, sit down in a one court, and you as a judge, release them your barbarian ya in a earth. In a earth, you release back the demon them, the possessed individual them, the barbarian them, the creature them. We beat and chastise this child. So to this day that 70, soon to be 18, and I'm going to spend her 18th birthday in a hospital. Pan drip. And you, heartless judge, what kind of judge you be? If you look on them your creature, ya, them your dirty individual, ya, them your barbarian, ya, give them bail. What is 800,000 Jamaican dollars? That ain't shit. 800,000, what that, 5 bills US? $500 US. And them the barbarian, the people and can't find it, give them. But surrender travel document. Surrender with travel document. You don't know some people are left Jamaica. Pam pussyclad ship. Pam boat. Go right to Haiti, they go right to Bahamas, they go right to Trinidad, they so. So if them find the 800,000 if you come back a road, you know think so they can't pay you one little ship, man. 800 US, you must be mad. No, $150 for one US now. About 6 bills if it's not 500. 500 US. 500 fucking USD. And you tell me, say, you make them your people you come out of jail. Not even a $2 million bond, you know. Even if you say you give them bail, not even a $2 million, but you give them a slap on the blood clot wrist. And the little girl still there in the hospital, still a yam through drip, still the woman don't know where go come and pitney, and you leg out them your blood clot woman you for $500 US. You leg out them your barbarian you for 500 but travel documents. At Jamaica you live. Them a go on ship and a go right to Haiti there so. Them a go right to Trinidad there so. No justice, not that if you look a girl all no. You give them like a blood clot, white turkey neck finium in a blood clot jail. Feel like a time where they in there. Then you give them bail if you come out here. If you come out here. We not even get enough justice for you little girl. I want to let out them you're thinking blood clot. Hey bro God, I say your justice system set youth. Hey brother, hunger ghetto youths alone you have strength for boy. Eh? And some of the ghetto youths them want to know now murder. Nobody want to beat them up and kick them up and put them in a jail. I want to know the murderer them bro God. The members so we know say una let in gun them in our country. Because I own wife. I own wife Jamaica no make gun. So bro God, you let go the girl them will beat girl. And put him in a intensive care. And kill him off. Right now, girl not talk, nothing at all. Big enough, girl, nothing. He must spend his birthday at jail. So you mean to tell me, say, I just see you, them want to crush out there and nigga upon the corner alone and get kicked up. Them the girl they can get for you walk a road, bro, God. How your system said so. That means on the Lego cartel then. Because you not even find blood clot lizard body, you lock up blood clot cartel for murder. You have Kaylan body in the pussy clot hospital where the blood clot barbarian and beat and almost kill. No justice no come for that the little girl but you lock up one man One can't even find the blood clot body for blood clot lizard. Uno justice system back where. Uno lock up uno one bomb clot lock up. Because of them the pussy hole they not forget deal. Them the drunk they fi rotten down at that pussy hole. Them fi bury in a pussy clot jail and prison. Them the dirty girl they fi they should not get beaten in jail. Them shouldn't even have pussy clot time for your walk out. The amount of fuck liquor them should not get in there. But uno hunger have strength for get a youths. The local boy them wanna sip and corner wanna not give no work or about the hand miggle. Poor youth them not even a kill nobody. Uno know what kill the people them burger. Toppy! Cause I wanna let in the gun them give them, wanna make you scam of them, the jagger them, I buy them in and I buy you out and I bring the in the gun them. Then you know say uno no know how no population are dead. But uno see this here local girl here, when body mash up, he heart mash up, lungs mash up, stab up, in the hospital, uno have the people them who do that, but uno no lock them up, cartel that prison. For 1 trillion century, for one body where you can't even blood clot fight.